What's up, people?
Yo. Is there now a fish? Is there a fish?
So, we started a little road trip today.
Yes.
On our day off, quarantine road trip, and we went to what's it called?
The Punt. It's called the Point.
The Point. It's called the Point.
Yeah.
Well, it's quite a nice point.
Yeah.
To be honest, it's a lovely weather. It's quiet on the roads. And
Yeah.
we just enjoy the cars.
Yeah. Little bit. No, not a little bit. A lot of trucks.
Yeah.
A lot of trucks.
Fuck trucks.
Yes. But we can pass them on the roundabouts, so it's okay.
Yeah, that's actually the most fun to do.
Yeah.
Just drive fast.
Yeah.
On the roundabout and exit the roundabout even faster.
Yeah. Yeah. Shred some tires.
So we are going to what's the next stop?
It's called Brouwers Dam. That's it. It's a dam.
Okay.
From Brouwers, I think. So we, I think we can put cars there and make some pictures, maybe some movies. I hope, actually. Is it not closed?
I don't know. We saw some signs on the way here
Yeah.
that the beaches are closed.
Yeah.
We're not planning to go to the beach,
No.
but we have to see what's open and what locations we can get to.
Yeah, we're just sitting here.
Yeah. So.
Pretty hot, actually. It's so hot. Unbelievable. Wait. Better. Ik ben nog helemaal, dit is echt niet. What's wrong?
Dog shit.
Shit. Look at where we are. There's nothing here. Literally one dog turd. Ah shit, I stepped in it also. Shit.
So we literally drove for 3 minutes and we already found another location for some pictures and videos. It looks like a mini track or something here.
Yeah.
You can practice your curves.
Yeah.
See, we're not the only one with this with that idea. But this is
drive everywhere you want. There are lines on the road.
Yeah, there are lines on the road.
Nobody sticks to them.
Maybe we can come back when it's a little damp and try some donuts and drifting over here. So tell me guys, how good is this?
Yes, we drove for 10 seconds this time.
Yeah, it was 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Taking some pics
Yes,
of the cars for the gram.
Yeah.
Let's do it for the gram.
car, still driving. 3.5 hours now, but on our way home. Switched the positions. Yeah, that's about it. It's such a nice day, man. Unbelievable. Really. Just having a drive. Oh, look at that car. It's like an old Alpine. You didn't see it because I filmed sideways and not to the front of the car. Okay, so I think we have to go for like an hour or something before we're home. But for now, having this view, the AMG, and the sounds.
This was the video. I hope you liked it. Please let us know what you think about our video. Like, subscribe, you know what to do. Maybe we can do a little video of the A45, which is also in the garage, to, you know, have some fun with. Let us know what you think and see you guys next time. Bye.